Remember that one way to check your understanding of information as you read in a text is to ask and answer questions about it. Why do you think it's important to ask and answer questions before, during, and after reading? Remember that asking and answering questions while reading can help them stay awake during reading, or pay attention to the details as you read. Let's review the words children can use to ask questions and how they should answer the questions they ask by looking for evidence or clues and details in the text and pictures. Let's look on the anchor chart. When you're reading, you can ask before you're reading, during your reading, or after you're reading. Why would you ask questions? You ask questions to get information, to help you understand the text, and to practice being awake or thinking while you're reading. Also to be curious and wonder as you read. Use questions and words to ask, like who, what, where, why, when, and how. Look around in the text and pictures for the evidence of details to help you answer. Now we are going to prepare to read the puddle puzzle, and I want you to practice asking and answering questions while you read. First, let's listen to the audio to find out about the author of the puddle puzzle.
Ellen Weiss makes new discoveries whenever she writes a book. She says, "If you're a curious person, writing is great. Being curious is helpful when you write a mystery. It is helpful when you read a mystery too. See if you can solve the mystery of the puddle puzzle before the end of the story."
We're going to prepare to read the puddle puzzle. This story is a drama. Dramas are plays that are read and performed. So as you read the puddle puzzle, pay attention to the cast of characters, the dialogue or what the characters say, the setting or where and when the story takes place, and the stage directions that tell performers what to do. Set a purpose. We're going to ask questions before, during, and after we read information to help understand the text. Look for evidence in the text and pictures to answer your questions. And remember your power words: agency, business, confidently, eagerly, seeps, mystery, ace, and located. Now you are going to read The Puddle Puzzle by Ellen Weiss on page 214 through 225 in your My Book. Remember to ask and answer questions as you read and refer back to the anchor chart if you need. Make sure to use your text and the pictures as evidence to answer your questions as you read.